Hello and welcome to another episode of the Harvest Cafe. We will be showing you how to break down your shelves, properly clean them, and put everything back. So here's our cleaning mix. This is a solution of multi-purpose surface cleaner with a little bit of sanitizer in it, our clean fresh rag, and our scrubby. We're going to scrub everything down, we're going to wipe it down, and then we're going to re-rinse it and then put everything back. So now that our surface is clean, we're going to shine it all the way through and then put everything right back. And this is what we're using. Now that it has been washed and rinsed and then hit with a little bit of shine buffer, we're going to put everything back and you're good to go. That's all it is.